1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Interlace your fingers behind your head. Interlace your fingers, put it behind. Tuck your head downward towards your chest. Stretch your spinal cord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, bring your head back up, drop your arms. Now let's rotate your neck to the right, slowly. Keep rotating. Rotate all around, full range of motion. We're not on the count, just go around, full range. Just keep going. We're trying to release the stress from the hard day or easy day. Just release the stress, keep rotating, keep rotating. I'm not on any count. Make sure you don't hold your breath. All right, now go other direction. Circle around. Inhale, exhale, don't hold your breath. Awesome, stop.